Welcome to Vet Fraternity. In this topic, we are going to study about corneal stromal abscess. Basically, corneal stromal abscess is a sequela of healing corneal ulcers or defects and trapping of bacteria and fungal organisms within the stroma after reepithelialization. So what is the scenario over here is that there was an ulcer that started to heal, or any defect that started to heal in the eye, but in that healing process, the bacteria or fungus or both get entrapped in that like inner area of the eye, and because of that the stromal abscess starts to form inside the cornea. So basically it is a sequela of healing corneal ulcers. As per appearance is concerned, you can look for white, yellow stromal infiltrate with stromal keratitis, vascularization, and anterior uveitis. So, as you can see in this image, this whole whitening, this indicates the stromal infiltrate, white or yellow. This is stromal abscess. This is a condition that is mostly seen in horses, but it rarely occurs in dogs also. But you should remember or study this disease because this is very important for paper point of view. It may appear in that. As far as etiology is concerned, 7 to 9 different fungal species has been isolated in corneal ulcer and stromal abscesses in horse, but Aspergillus and Fusarium species are most common. For treatment, you should start from like intensive topical and or occasionally systemic antimicrobials, topical antifungals, cycloplegic like atropines or NSAIDs. After that, you can like this is medical treatment. Okay, surgical removal of the abscess is indicated when medical treatment is ineffective or lesions are deep. For the surgical removal, for paper point of view, you should remember conjunctival and tectonic corneal grafts are very important. Laminar keratectomy to remove the necrotic tissue or the abscess there is treatment protocol or like performed, but it is less common. So if both are going to come in the options, you are going to pick conjunctival corneal grafts. And still, if the abscess is not healed with medical treatment or surgical treatment, the abscess can rupture into the anterior eye chamber, causing severe blindness and uveitis. So it is a concerning issue. That was it about corneal stromal abscess. Thank you for watching and best of luck for your preparation.